In this video, I want to replace the Bluetooth antenna. Let's say we've broken it when we pulled it out of the case, whatever. But or you might even get this module sent and it hasn't even got Bluetooth antenna attached to it. Either way, we're going to have a go at removing it. So this one's got the black silicone adhesive on it. I've heated that up already with the heat gun. You can use a hairdryer, or if you're going to use a heat gun, just hold your hand in front of it as you blow it so you know it's not getting too hot. If you can't hold your hand there, you're getting it too hot. So I just gave it some heat, and now I'm going to try and just grab it and peel this black stuff off. See how we go. Just grab hold of it and try and lift it off. I might just give that a little bit more heat, I reckon, and it'll come a bit better. Okay, we gave it a bit more heat. We'll have another crack at it. Might have it anyway. So to get it off, it's like a little button clip. You put your screwdriver in underneath and gently prise it up. There we go, and it just pops off. Still got our glue with it. Okay. So, what was it? You can see it there, it's just like a little... Anyway, we'll zoom on that later on. We'll clean up the rest of this material. Okay, I managed to clear the rest of that glue with not too much trouble, but probably a bit too aggressive as well. So here's the new plug. You can see it's got a nice round plug end on it. It's like a cap, just fits on top of the plug there. However, in the process of getting rid of the black stuff, I've managed to damage that receptor, I will call it there. It's got a bit of a dented side, so I'm going to try and straighten that up now. I'll use something a bit finer than the axe I've been using. Okay, we got it into some sort of shape. I ended up using just the end of this scalpel just to push the outside of the receptor there. Straighten it up a bit. So now it should be just a simple matter now of taking our end face down and then clipping it onto the receptor. So we'll give it a go. So there we have it. Okay, so we'll just give it a gentle press to make sure it's home. At this point we can put some of this T7000 glue on it. It's just, that's what was on it most likely. It's just an adhesive type rubbery glue. So just peel the sticky off the back of this and stick it to the inside of your front box, last thing before you close it up. So that's good luck with it. It's a very finicky little job, but not impossible. Just take your time.